Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree. A beautiful collection, border and butta design in a very elegant combination colors. Here we have a beautiful green saree, green pallu, big butta design in the pallu, very elegant gold zari work, and the design is given in a mango shape, floral, excellent green shade color, and same green is the blouse piece with the zari borders next to the border line. And here we have a very beautiful magenta pink saree, excellent butta design, square shape, and inside the details you can see it's a horizontally done, excellent kanji type butta design with green borders as well as a gold zari border. Beautiful combination, traditional and ever lovable combination with authentic silk work. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, a beautiful dual border design sarees with the golden zari work and a contrast pallu. Here we have a beautiful dark green color pallu, very elegant big motif design in the pallu design, and we have same pallu color plain blouse piece with one side, both sides we have the golden zari weaving borders. The saree is in a beautiful brown and maroon mixed shade, almost in dark maroon color with very elegant square shaped buttas, and we also have a dual border, one in the mixed color of pallu and body, and the other one is the golden zari border. Beautiful collection with authentic silk work. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, dual border design, beautiful sarees with the golden zari work, contrast pallu. Here we have a mango yellow color pallu with big motif design weaving, golden zari weaving in the pallu, grand one, with plain blouse piece in pallu color, and we have a golden zari running in the blouse piece as well, which can be used for the sleeves. And the body color is a light green here, almost a pista green shade with mild yellow tinge, and we have very elegant circle shaped buttas. The butta is very beautifully done, that it have floral as well as geometric pattern inside. And we have a dual color border, one in pallu color and we have one in zari. Very elegant one with authentic silk. The shade is very contrast. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, a thin border collection, beautiful color combos. Here we have a beautiful pallu, a deep blue color pallu with gold jari work, very elegant, simple work with same color blouse piece. The complete saree have a 1-inch jari border done using gold jari. And here we have a beautiful creamy tussar color, tussar half white with beautiful silver and gold jari worked buttas. Buttas are very beautiful. Excellent weaving. The color combo is very pretty with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, a thin border collection and beautiful and alluring combination colors. A vibrant combo here, deep blue color, something between the royal blue and navy blue color, and we have a very beautiful gold jari work in the pallu. The complete saree have a thin border, 1-inch jari border, and that is there in the blouse piece as well. Blouse is in pallu color, and we have a light radiant green color, almost neon green color saree, very different color with copper and gold jari finish buttas. Buttas are very different. The jari border adds beauty to the saree. Elegant combo with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, a thin border collection with alluring combination colors. Here we have a beautiful navy blue color pallu with gold jari work, closely weaved grand pallu. Same color blouse piece with thin border, a 1/2-inch zari border all over the saree in gold jari. And we have a beautiful half white color, almost a tussar color, mild gold tinge half white color. And you can see the buttas are in silver and gold alternatively. Very beautifully it's been done with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, dual border design, beautiful sarees in golden zari work. A very elegant green pallu here, dark green color with big motif design pallu, and it is done using golden zari. Pallu color plain blouse piece with the golden zari borders in the blouse piece also. The saree color is a beautiful dark shade, purple mixed with black to get a beautiful tone it is. almost a nagapalam, the jamun fruit color with square shaped buttas, and we also have dual borders in the saree. Golden zari border as well as a green border is in the saree. Very elegant collection with authentic silk work. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double border design, beautiful gold zari work sarees here. The contrast pallu and blouse piece. Here we have a beautiful green, a dark green color pallu with very big motif design. Golden zari used for the weaving, and we have same pallu color plain blouse piece with the borders. The saree is in beautiful Rani pink color. Very elegant design and color. Round shape buttas for the body buttas, and it is golden zari again. Dual color borders, one is golden zari, another one is a mix of the pallu and body color. Elegant one with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, thin border collection with very beautiful combination colors. Here we have a light pista green color pallu. Very elegant design in the pallu, closely weaved gold zari work, and we have same color blouse piece. The whole saree and the pallu have a half-inch zari border that is done using gold zari again. And here we have a very different green saree with silver and gold zari work buttas. Beautifully done. Two different shades of green in the saree with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree. A very beautiful dual border design saree here with very elegant golden zari work. The pallu is a green here, dark green color with big motif designs in the pallu, rich pallu with the golden zari work, and we have same pallu color plain blouse piece with the borders. The saree is in beautiful Rani pink shade, beautiful color, mild gold shade on the pink, and we have the golden zari buttas, square shaped buttas, very elegantly crafted with dual border, golden zari border as well as a green border given in the saree. Very elegant one with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, a thin border collection, a very beautiful color combination, different combo here, a pista green and light olive green mixed color with beautiful gold zari work, and we have the same color pallu, mild yellow tinge which is very beautiful, a pastel color, and here we have the body in a very different color again, green and brown mixed color, green in a different shade. You can see the buttas are done using gold and silver zari alternatively. The gold zari border in both sides, 1 inch, which is making the saree really beautiful with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, border and butta collection. The very elegant square shaped buttas, completely gold zari is used for weaving here. Dark green color pallu with very big design in pallu, beautiful and excellent new launch with a pallu color blouse piece. Beautifully it is also done with the borders, and we have a dark brown color. It's almost one shade lesser than the maroon. Beautiful brown it is with the square shaped buttas. The buttas are beautifully done in a kanji pattern. Excellent weaving with green border as well as a thin gold zari border. Excellent design, beautiful color combo with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, thin border collection. Nalluri combination, excellent color sarees. Here we have a beautiful dark blue color, something between navy blue and royal blue color with a gold zari design. Elegant one with same color blouse piece. In the whole saree, the blouse piece also have a thin 1 inch zari border, gold zari border. And here we have a beautiful dark red, almost a maroonish red color body with silver and gold zari buttas. Beautiful design, 3D type triangle design. Excellently weaved sarees with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, a very beautiful border butta collection. Very different type border. Here we have a very excellent combination, really attractive and very exclusive piece. Green pallu, big buttas in the pallu. Very decent, beautiful design with gold zari, and we have same color blouse piece with the zari border, only the gold zari border running in the blouse piece, and we have a dark coffee brown color saree, beautiful color, and you can see the butta designs, square shaped buttas that is done very detailedly, horizontal pattern, kanji type butta, very beautiful one with the green border as well as a gold zari border in both sides. Perfect design in a perfect color with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, border and butta collection, a small border, elegant 1-inch border sarees in a vibrant combination colors. A pista green color pallu with elegant work, completely gold jari used here, with a plain blouse piece, 1-inch border again. The saree is a pastel shade, almost a beige color. Excellent mild brown mix half white, also we can call pastel shade. Buttas are in gold and silver jari alternatively. The gold and copper jari, original copper jari used here. Excellent one. 3D type triangle design, very beautifully done with a 1-inch border in both sides. That is a gold jari border. An excellent pastel saree with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree. A beautiful butta and border collection with an excellent color combo. Here we have a very excellent dark green color pallu with the big butta design in the pallu using gold zari. Same pallu color blouse piece. The borders running in the blouse piece as well. With a beautiful dual tone color in the body. Orange and pink mix. You can see both the pink as well as orange glow on the saree. Beautiful goldish color. With the gold zari butta, square shape, elegantly weaved one with a green border as well as a zari border in both sides. Beautiful combo with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, dual border design, beautiful sarees in golden zari work. A very elegant and contrast pallu. Here we have a mango yellow pallu with beautiful big motif design in the pallu. The pallu color is rare and beautiful color. You can see same color blouse piece with the golden zari work borders. The saree is a bright, radiant light green color. Almost a shade of parrot green, light parrot green color with circle shaped motifs. The motifs are done in beautiful way that it has both floral as well as geometric pattern. And we have a dual color border, one in pallu color and one in the golden zari border. Very elegant contrast combination with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, dual border design with a contrast pallu sarees, golden zari work. You can see the dual tone color pallu, orange mixed with pink to get a beautiful tone with a big motif design in the pallu. That's a rich one with plain blouse piece in pallu color. The saree is in a pastel shade here, a very light turquoise green color. Pastel green shade saree with very elegant round shaped, circle shaped buttas. Inside the circle shape you can see a floral pattern as well as geometrics. And we have a dual color borders on both sides. One in the color mixed with yellow color and we have another one in the golden zari. Beautiful design, very elegant and rare combination with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree. Thin border, beautiful collection, dark and light combo. The pallu is in beautiful pista green and olive mixed color with gold jari work and same color blouse piece. The complete saree have a thin border, 1-inch border, gold jari work border. And here we have a beautiful navy blue color saree with mild violet tinge. The copper jari and gold jari are used here for butta weaving. Very beautifully it's been done with a 1-inch jari border in both sides of the saree. Excellent combination with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, a thin border collection with very beautiful classy combination here. Pista green, light green color pallu with very elegant pallu design, completely gold jari used for the pallu design weaving. And we have same color blouse piece, a pastel shade. Complete saree have a small 1-inch jari border, that is gold jari border all over. And here we have a very beautiful half white mixed with mild gold color to get a goldish half white body color, pastel shade, the white lovers. And you can see the gold jari and copper jari buttas, alternatively gold and copper used for butta weaving. Buttas are in 3D type triangle shape work. Very pretty saree and beautiful goldish venpattu with authentic silk.